Rapid product creation. In this video, we're going to talk about how to ramp up your business and take it to the next level. Now, there are many different ways that you can ramp up a small information publishing business like this. And probably the easiest way is to duplicate this process in the exact same niche with a new report and funnel. So, in other words, what we're going to do is say your original report was the top 5 tips on losing weight fast. Okay. What you would want to then do is create another report and a funnel, okay, based around, say, the 7 secrets to rapid weight loss or something like that. Something that is absolutely related to what they already opted into, to what you already created. So your first report was on losing weight fast. Your second report should also be on losing weight fast. Keep it very, very much related, okay? And the reason for that is you now have a list because you set up a squeeze page. You have a list of people that are very interested in what you have to offer in that niche. And you can market to them over and over again. And the easiest way is just to duplicate. Just put out these tiny little reports, these little multimedia packages, and make money selling affiliate products on the back end. You know, that's where your higher dollar offers can be. That's the simplest way to do it. Okay. You can also go ahead, and this is a little bit more work, but you can go ahead and expand your shorter reports and turn them into larger 20 to 50 page reports that you can easily sell for $17. Okay, especially if you're going to go ahead and bundle that with the audio and video. Okay, you should have no problem selling that type of report for $17 or more, or maybe a little less depending on the exact niche that you're in. And once you've completed a few of these little digital products, you could then bundle several of them together to be used as an upsell for any of your products. And that's a really good thing to do. Once you have many different products or several different products in the same niche, you offer a bundle of those products for a discounted price as an upsell. And that's a proven offer it's worked for years. You offer more of similar products that they just bought at a discount, and it's an offer that people find too good to refuse. So it's something that you should consider trying. Now, you stay in you can stay in your niche, or you can expand into other niches. And remember this, many of the most successful internet marketers today started with little low dollar offers, little $5 to $10 offers, okay? And they grew them into these massive, successful businesses. And the sky is the limit. Listen, give this a try. Creating these little short reports, building a list of subscribers in a niche, and then offering them upsells. This works. You create a free product, you create a little low dollar upsell, and then you can market to these people over and over again, similar products, and really make a lot of money if you put the effort into it. I hope you enjoyed these videos, and I hope you're going to go out there and create a digital product.